Hey, what's going on? This is Lionel Walker here. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to actually post a successful Craigslist ad and how you can get great results for a very low price. But before I get started, if I can get you to do two things for me. One, subscribe to my channel. Just hit the subscribe button, and then also turn on the notification bell so that way when I do new videos and add new content, you'll be the first ones to actually get that. So let's go ahead and get to the video. So what you want to do is you want to log into your account. If you do not have a Craigslist account, you want to actually create one. Now I want to tell you a few things before I actually get started in showing you kind of what I did as far as my posts. You want to, if you're going to post in multiple cities, because Craigslist is very picky about how they do things and what you do while you're using their system, if you are going to post in multiple cities, my suggestion would be to get an email set up for each of the cities that you want to post in. And the reason why I'm saying you might want to consider doing that is because if you're posting in multiple cities from one email address, they will put your account on hold. It happened to me. I found out the hard way. I actually only posted to 3 cities, and when I did that, all of a sudden my account was placed on hold and I do not have access to that account. So what I did is I created, for each city that I wanted to post in, I created an email address on Google for each and every one of those cities. So I have 10 email addresses for 10 different cities that I chose to actually post ads in. So it actually works out well. And you also want to make sure that if you do have a single email address, or even if you have an email address for each city, you don't want to post multiple ads, too many multiple ads in there. Because remember, when you post an ad in Craigslist, it's going to stay posted for 30 days. So, you know, for example, the ad that I posted one on the 29th, and I'm still getting people that are actually responding to that ad, and here it's October 3rd. So I'm still getting feedback. So you don't have to post an ad, you know, every 2 or 3 days or anything like that. Let that ad continue to do what it's going to do. When you see that it's slowing down, then you might want to kind of do another one, you know, maybe a week later or so. But if you're still getting, you know, response, just let that ad continue to go on until, you know, you kind of see it slowing up. So when you get your account set up, first thing you do is log into your Craigslist account, okay? And I'm just going to go through the whole process. Some of you may already know how to go through and do it, but for those that don't, I just want to go through the whole process. So what you're going to do is just going to click Post to Classifieds. And this is what I did, and this is going to be an ad that I'm running for MyEcon, okay? For my MyEcon business. So what I usually do, you know, there's all these different places where you can actually go when you're posting. I usually go here to gig offered, and then I click on I want to hire someone. Now, once you do that, you got all these different gigs. Okay? Now, as you can see, there's going to be prices associated with each one. But you know, I look at it like this, guys. It's like, for example, to post a gig is $5 per post, and that's going to last you for 30 days, you know, or even if it lasts you for 2 weeks, it's worth it. I spent $300 to $500 a month or more posting, buying traffic or buying solo ads, and I've gotten a better response and better, you know, as far as leads using Craigslist than I did with any of those other sources. And these are organic leads that are coming in. So, you know, with solo ads, you never know what you're going to get. You know, most of the time I've gotten garbage. Same thing with traffic. You just don't know what it's going to be, where it's coming from. At least I know here who these people are, where they're coming from, and they're, like I say, they're organic leads. So I usually choose labor gigs, okay? Now, this is what's going to come up on your deal for you to put in your post. Now, what I suggest that you do is I suggest that you actually choose a body that is going to be very quick, to the point, simple, not something that's overwritten, not something that's too long. And the reason why is because, again, you're dealing with people's attention span. So when they're reading this stuff, if you have too much information, I find that it kind of throws people off and they don't really want to read through all that. I just keep it simple. So for my posting title, you know, I might put something like hiring today, work from home, earn up to $150 a day. You know, you can tweak it. You can put whatever you want. You can change it however you want. It's up to you. Let's say if you want to say, you can say something like, looking for credit agents. You know, earn up to $150 a day. Or, you know, you can change this. If you don't want to put that, you don't have to. And then you can just, whenever I usually, you know, come here to this section, I usually put all areas of whatever city I'm posting in. You know, so let's say if I'm doing, this is Houston, so all areas of Houston. You need to make sure you put a zip code for the city that you're posting in. So, you know, just go to Google, whatever city is you're posting in. If it's a city that you're not familiar with, look up a zip code, the postal code, and then boom, type it in and you're good to go. Okay? You can type something, you know, here like, you know, looking for people to work from home, posting ads for credit restoration. Okay, you can put whatever you want, but just keep it simple. Okay, what's going to attract people more so than the body is going to be this. Okay, your posting title is where you really want to try to get people's attention. That's what they're going to look for. So make sure you have something that's going to be nice and catchy here. Okay, then you can just put must have a laptop or PC. Okay. Must be 18 or older. US only. Okay. So I'm just giving you ideas, you know, something you can just put in, and this is going to be a simple, quick, to the point deal. Looking for people to work from home, posting ads for credit restoration. Must have a PC, laptop PC, must be 18, US only. You know, and you know that you can just end it there. I mean, and what I usually do is I usually don't click on pay. I usually click no pay. Okay. You don't have to fill in this information. You don't have to fill in this information. Hit continue. It's going to bring this up. Hit continue again. You don't have any images. And then what happens here is it shows you what the ad's going to look like. Hiring today, looking for credit agents, earn up to $150 a day, all areas in Houston. Boom. Done. Simple. Okay. And then what I do is you hit publish, and then it's going to bring up the billing part. You just hit here to continue. And then you choose, you know, which I'm not going to type my credit card information in because I'm not going to post the ad because I still have ads running. But you just type in your credit card information, your contact information, and then purchase, and that's it. Once you're done, you're going to get a email letting you know that, you know, it's complete, that your ad's going to be set, and you'll be able to go into your account and actually see where you have your ads. okay, you'll be able to go into your account. And when you go into your account, this is how it's going to look, okay? And I put Houston, but this is my Chicago account, as you can see. This is it. It's like I did this one, hiring today, work from home, earning up to $150 a day. Done. Okay? Posted on September 30th. Still have 27 days left on this ad. And that's it, guys. That's all I've done. And this has been able, within the 3-day period, I've generated, posted in 6 cities. And I've generated over 150 leads. Out of that 150 leads, I've gotten so far 80 plus opt-ins. And, you know, I have my autoresponders, of course, working and, you know, working on communicating with those people. But then I also still email them as well. That's pretty much it. This is how I do it. This is what I've done for MyEcon. As far as creating my ads and getting it set up. Very simple, nothing difficult. Try it out. Let me know what you think. You know, if you're getting success, then comment on this video and let me know that you've had success. And, you know, if you have any questions, comment on this video as well with any questions. I'll be able to answer them for you. But that's pretty much it, guys. So just, again, make sure if you're doing multiple cities, you have multiple email addresses, so that you're not getting your accounts placed on hold. For whatever reason, when you get them on hold, it's hard to get in touch with them, to ask them why, or to get them to take it off of the hold status. I've emailed them multiple times, and I have not been able to get them to respond back to me at all. So that's it. That's it. I want to make sure I got this video because I had lots of people that were inquiring about how I was able to have the success that I had with my ads, and this is all I've done. And as you can see, as a result of that, let me just go back here to my leads. You can see all these leads. These are all opt-ins, okay? All opt-ins that I've gotten. All these individuals. So that's it, guys. Again, any questions, let me know. I hope this helps you out. Again, if it does, comment, let me know. You know, definitely like to share content like this to help you guys out. And if there's anything else I can do to be of service, I'm here. All right, have a good one, guys. Appreciate your time.